the internet exposure. Okay, same thing if you can click on the private route table, and you can see only the local entries there, because we don't want to expose traffic for the private subnet, right? That is how we created the VPC and the subnetting. Is that clear? Any doubts? No? Okay. So this is for the cluster setup. So now what we need to do, our baseline architecture is done. We like VPC networking part. So now we required master server. We are not doing this on AC2 base like you guys might have done like miniq वगैरह. So we are not doing that. Okay. So we are thinking based on the real time strategies. So we will first create master server. In that master server, you can add number of nodes, worker node, one, two, whatever you want to. But in our case, we are not doing like on the master node, we are enabling the autoscaler. Okay. To install the autoscaler to have the automatically scaling based on the node, based on the port request and the utilization. Okay. So we will now create the EKS cluster master server. Okay. You can see the CloudFormation template for that. You can add the description